In front of me is ULEFONE Note 7P, and let me show you how to change screen timeout on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select display, so it's under basic settings, and here you will notice sleep, so mark it. And now you can choose 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 30 minutes. So just choose the option that you would like to apply on your device. For example, let me go with 10 minutes. And that's it. From now on, display would fall asleep after 10 minutes of inactivity. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.